Ready to transform your games from looking good to absolutely phenomenal? First, you'll need to make sure you have the Nvidia GeForce experience installed, which should come bundled with most Nvidia graphics card drivers. If you don't, head over to the Nvidia website, download it, and install it. This is the gateway to your gaming visual upgrades. Open the GeForce Experience software. Ensure your drivers are up to date. Game Filter won't work without the latest drivers in the GeForce Experience software. Select the Drivers tab. If there's an update available, download and install it. Now, launch your favorite game once the game is running, and while you're inside of the game, press LTZ. This action should open the Nvidia GeForce Experience overlay. If it doesn't, check in the GeForce Experience settings under General to make sure the in-game overlay is enabled. In the overlay, look for the Game Filter option, usually an icon that looks a little like a painting, or the settings icon. If you don't see this, you might need to make sure the game is supported. Most popular games are. Click on the Enable button to activate the filter. You'll now see several preset categories: style, color, and many other categories. Each contains a range of filters designed to refine the image to create the perfect visual experience. Click on a preset and watch the game change right before your eyes. For truly personalized visuals, click on Add Filter. Now you dive into the real power. Here, you can adjust individual settings such as brightness, contrast, color vibrance, and sharpening. Experiment with these sliders, and watch as your game world dramatically changes based on the chosen settings. Use the before and after toggle to compare. Customize your filter further by combining multiple effects, like adjusting color and contrast simultaneously. Remember, finding the perfect settings is about personal preference. Play with the numbers until you found settings you like. Once you've perfected your visual masterpiece, navigate to the Save button to create a custom profile. Give it a name, and now you have your custom filter. The next time you launch that game, you can renable it with a simple click. And that, my friends, is how you wield the power of Nvidia game filters. Have fun, create stunning visuals, and happy gaming.